Hair isn't just hair, it's confidence, identity, and self-expression. But what if thinning hair or complete hair loss is holding you back? At DEECEE Hair, we bring you the perfect solution. Our lace closure wigs, designed not just to restore your look, but to bring back your confidence too. Crafted with 100% Indian temple virgin hair, our lace closure wigs blend seamlessly with your natural hairline. The soft mesh lace creates a natural scalp appearance, allowing your skin's tone to shine through effortlessly. Unlike mass-produced wigs, every DEECEE hair lace closure wig is 100% handmade by skilled artisans. Each knot is carefully secured, ensuring no shedding, no tangling, and a long-lasting, natural movement, so you can style with confidence every day. Our wigs come in different lace top dimensions to match your individual needs. For even more scalp realism, we also offer monofilament tops specifically designed for Indian and European users, giving you the most natural look possible. Our wigs come with a pre-plucked hairline, mimicking natural hair growth, so you get a flawless look right out of the box. Plus, the knots are already bleached. No need for extra processing before wear. Not all wigs are created equal. Non-Remy and Chinese hair have cuticles running in mixed directions, leading to severe tangling. To hide this flaw, a chemical coating is applied. But over time, this coating wears off, causing breakage, tangling, and shedding. DEECEE hair is different. Sourced from Indian temples, our hair has cuticles aligned in one direction, eliminating the need for chemical coatings. The result? Hair that remains smooth, tangle-free, and naturally beautiful for years. With DEECEE hair lace closure wigs, you get 100% natural Indian temple hair with no synthetic or mixed fibers. Every wig is hand-knotted by skilled artisans, ensuring no shedding and no tangling. The knots are pre-bleached, so you don't need to do any extra work. We offer free parting and fixed parting options, so you can style it your way. And our wigs can be bleached up to 613, giving you complete freedom to customize your look. For over 10 years, DEECEE Hair has been setting the standard with 2 state-of-the-art factories and more than 80 skilled artisans dedicated to crafting premium quality wigs. This isn't just a hairpiece, it's a transformation. Feel beautiful, feel powerful, feel like you again with DEECEE hair lace closure wigs. Chat with us directly on WhatsApp and find your perfect wig today.